Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add and edit terrains in Unity. So let's get started. On the toolbar panel, press terrain and create terrain. Now, before we start actual texturing everything, we must organize our assets project folder. So let's go there. Right click, press create, press folder. Now name your folder to textures, as we're gonna store textures of the terrain in there. Open up textures. Right click and press show in Explorer. Now you must open. Now you must find your own textures. I added 2 textures and now I'm gonna paste them now. Here we go. Dirt and gas textures. Close the window and now wait for several seconds to these textures to be applied into your assets folder. Here we go. Gas texture and dirt texture. Okay, now we're ready to go. Now, first of all, we must find our here. Here we go. Let's come here. Oh. Okay. So before we start editing, we must texture our terrains. That's the reason I added these 2 textures. Press this button. Press edit textures. Press add texture. Select and select gas texture. Press add. Now let's add second texture. You don't need to browse actually. Just click the dirt texture, for example, and drag it up way here. Press add. Okay. So now we're actually gonna paint it. Okay. Let's say select and we'll just start actually painting it. If I were you, for good painting, I would prefer using this brush. It smoothly it smoothly connects gas texture and dirt texture. Here. So let's do this. No, okay, just let's add some of these. Okay, we're done. We're done painting, and now it's time to add mountains and stuff. So let's go here. Keep using this one. Change opacity to, let's say, 10. Now here we go. We're making hills and mountains. If you want to increase the speed, just change the opacity. Let's say 20. Now it's faster. So, if you want to make your mountains more smoothly, go to this tab and change to this one. It's more effective for smoothing. And change opacity to 100 and it will make it smooth. Okay. Here, our terrain is now. We have mountain, we have painted textures, and oh, totally forgot. If you want to decrease the hue size, go here and it sets the height. Let's say like that. We just keep our hue. We can also increase the height to make it automatically to rise to specific level. Okay. Now we have smooth hill we can climb up in the future when we're gonna play. Okay, so now we're done painting textures and editing terrain. Now go to the next tutorial.